Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your XB6 modem. First, carefully unbox your new XB6 gateway, ensuring all components like the power cord and coaxial cable are present. Next, locate your cable wall outlet and securely attach one end of the coaxial cable to it. Connect the other end to the cable in port on your XB6 modem. Finally, plug the power adapter into the modem's power input and then into an electrical wall outlet. You should see the indicator lights begin to flash. Once powered on, your XB6 modem will begin its boot-up sequence. Observe the indicator light on the front. It will flash for a few minutes, then turn solid white, indicating a successful network connection. This process can take up to 10 minutes. During this time, it is crucial not to unplug or restart the modem. After the light is solid white, you are ready to proceed with activation, either wirelessly or with an Ethernet cable. With your modem online, it's time to connect your devices. Find the Wi-Fi network name, or SSID, and the password printed on the label on the bottom or back of your XB6 modem. Use these credentials to connect your computer, tablet, or smartphone to the new Wi-Fi network. Once connected, open a web browser. You should be automatically redirected to the activation page. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your service setup. If you encounter issues, such as the indicator light not turning solid white, first ensure all cables are firmly connected. A loose coaxial or power cable can prevent proper operation. If connections are secure, try restarting your modem by unplugging it from the power outlet for about 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Allow it another 5 to 10 minutes to re-establish its connection. If problems continue, reaching out to customer support is the next best step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.